So at the moment it's like a digital photo, so it's all pixels, and basically all you need to do is hit image trace, and you can see here there's lots of different kinds of image trace, but I often go 16 colors because it gives you the different layers, but with this one you might just go like black and white logo. So if you click that, yeah, you can see there it's turned it into black and white shapes, and that's all well and good. It's turned it into a vector, but to really get the full use of it, you need to hit expand, which will, if you watch this, that turns it into all of the lines and fills that you can normally use. So if you were to double click on things, you could pull up different parts there and use different parts of it. And if you go view the outline view, it shows you all of the intricate bits you've now got. And one last thing I might show you is, if we go right back, let's go right back to the beginning. Before you hit expand, I actually hit black and white logo and it gave me that. But if you didn't like that result of that image trace, what you could do, this little clipboard thing, if you open that up, it gives you lots and lots of options in terms of changing your mind. So you can change the threshold, kind of the sensitivity of the black and white there, and it will, yeah, change the amount of black that it picks up or the amount of white. So that's the threshold, and you can actually go in here and in mode you could change it to color or grayscale, or actually change your mind entirely and go, if it was a colored sort of thing, you could pick up 16 different colors in terms of layers of the vector trace. So once it's got that, there we go. So you can see there it's picked up all sorts of grayscale in that case, because I asked it to pick up 16 different colors. So yeah, and once you've got that, you can, yeah, select different parts. Like if you decided, that's the background, if you decided you want to just take part of it, you might actually ungroup the whole thing, object ungroup, and that would take away all the groups, and then you could take just part of it. Hang on a second. Yeah, so you could select different parts and literally take them apart, change the colors. You could change the colors of large parts of it as well. And yeah, so it kind of gives you lots of options for pattern making. And once you have something you're happy with, I want you to like think of just a word or anything at all in terms of type, and you might go, I've typed rhino just because I was watching a rhino documentary on the weekend. Okay, let's turn this up here. You might actually like to play around with the font choice as well. And so let's go here. And we're going to actually do a clipping mask with it. So you've got the type on top. You select everything and go object, clipping mask, make. There we go, and it's put the image inside the word, and you can give it an outline or do whatever you like to it. there we go. So that is a way of doing digital cutout type stuff.